Happy Labor Day, everyone. Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast and the unofficial end of summer today. Well, things are definitely heating up in the tropics, and that's pretty typical of early September. Of course, the typical average peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, that is September 10th, so we are about a week away from that. Severe weather concerns over the next couple of days in the Midwest. We're also going to be looking at some heavy rain and flooding. Well, the strongest storm in either the Eastern Pacific or the Atlantic right now is still Norman. You can see an eye pretty well defined, diminishing there overnight and early this morning, and will continue on its westerly track through at least Tuesday, but by late Wednesday it starts to take more of a northwesterly turn and of course diminishes, but hopefully will stay away from Hawaii with that particular system. And Olivia, another named system east of Norman, that one is also drifting west, but the latest track has that staying a tropical storm. And then in the Atlantic Basin, considering that last week it was very quiet, well, we have Florence, that is a tropical storm, but also potential tropical cyclone 7. And this moisture is now starting to move into southern portions of Florida. Very heavy rain there. And the forecast track from the National Hurricane Center does have this intensifying to a new storm, a new tropical storm at some point later Tuesday. And tropical storm watches have already been posted for parts of Louisiana, including New Orleans and Mississippi and Alabama. There's a look at tropical storm Florence, though. This one is tracking a little bit more into the central Atlantic, but as of now in the Eastern Pacific and Atlantic Basin, 4 storms that we'll be watching. It's going to be hot today in the Northeast. Feels like temps for this Labor Day Monday, 90s and triple digits. Severe weather concerns today over far western North Dakota, and then it turns into the upper Midwest. But look at how much rain we could be tracking through midweek here. Keep in mind that these areas have had a lot of rain over the last several days and weeks. So again, flash flooding certainly can't be ruled out. But today, Minneapolis, it's going to be upwards of 78.